Wel, croeso i chi o'r Peterborough. Dwi'n edrych ymlaen I dod i'r Bala. Looking forward to Equip on the 26th to the 28th of February. You know, we're going to look there at the day of Pentecost when God set his people on fire. You know, God wants us on fire for him. But have you noticed it's a cold world out there, isn't it? Have you felt the flames of God's love dampening down? Well, that's why we need to come together. You know, as we come together, God sets us on fire as a people. Not individual matches, but a fire of God's love burns among us. We can feel his love warming us up again. Feel the fire of his spirit on us. So come to Arfogi, 26th to the 28th, and let's get set on fire with love for God. You know, the thing about fire is, once it's started, when it's lit, it's unstoppable. Fire spreads. And on the day of Pentecost, God lit his people on fire, and it spread all over the world, and is still spreading today. We want to see the fire of God's love spreading all over Wales, that the whole of Wales may come to know the fire of God's love, the beautiful presence of God filling our nation. I'll see you at Arfogi 2016, the 26th to the 28th of February. Join me and let's see God set our hearts on fire with his love. See you there.